Hi. So I keep getting so many questions on why should you get a chemical peel. That is my absolute favorite treatment. I am 51, and if I could do any treatment for the rest of my life or personally receive it, it would be a chemical peel. And a lot of people are so afraid of that word. That word is scary. Really, it's just an exfoliation. And chemical peels are derived from organic ingredients like willow bark, apples, pears, milk, sour milk, honey, tomatoes. So really good ingredients. Yes, there are some strong chemical peels out there that can make your face peel off, but I don't do any of that. But I do personally love to do like one chemical peel a month on myself just to help maintain my skin. So I'm just going to show you quickly. Okay, and let's go back to why should you get the peel. The things that it helps with is it can help with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with pigmentation. If I see a little pigment spot, I wanna treat it with the TCA chemical peel. This one is my absolute favorite. And there's lots of peels out there. You probably have heard of lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, but TCA is my favorite because it works similar to a laser. Lasers are attracted to dark pigment, and TCA works that way too. So it seeks out the dark pigment, makes it darker, and then it peels off. So if you just have a couple of little spots, usually people don't mind if that gets darker and it peels off. So this is just alcohol. I'm going to show you super quick. I have nothing on my skin. So we're just going to alcohol your skin. Now, of course, when you come in for a treatment, you're going to get like all of the feel goods from me. I like to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. We're going to use some steam. You're going to get a scalp massage. I want you to enjoy it. But what I want you to see is that, I did have had some stuff on my face. And that's what alcohol takes off anything. So we want to make sure there's absolutely nothing on my skin. And I am going to put some gloves on, and I'm just going to show you the TCA peel. It's totally not scary. Normally when people come and they get their first peel, they are kind of nervous. But then guess what happens is that they're like, oh my gosh, this is so addicting. I love it. My skin looks so good. And it's not as scary as I thought. Actually, TCA, if you do like a one or two layers, it really doesn't sting that much. Some of the other chemical peels like salicylic acid can be much more stingy. And I don't really do that a lot because Utah is dry. So I have put my peel on my aesthetics wipe here, and I'm just going to start under my eye, but I like to get kind of close right there because when you get older, I don't like when people have this and you can see where it's sunk in, and I worked really hard to try and I don't want to have that. So I do like to get my peel right there, but and I will get a little bit pink, and that's normal. And then you don't want to do the eyelids, right? But I always include the neck. So in school, I think we stopped at the jawline and we didn't get close under the eyes. We put Vaseline here, but I'm going to show you with a Q-tip. So I put all over my face. That's it. Not scary, right? And then I'm just going to put my little Q-tip in here. Now, if you have super dark pigment and you don't want to peel your whole face off, you just spot treat the pigment. I honestly don't have pigment. Gosh, sometimes I search. Maybe a little discoloration there from the car driver side. But what I want to show you is I really look to get, now you want to make sure that you're not touching the lashes because that's how it can get in the eye. But I really like to get under my eyes just to kind of help. And then, where you've got 11. So I do get Botox, but I haven't had Botox in over 6 months. My nurse says I'm lucky and I don't really need it very often. But Botox, by the way, is not going to change your pigmentation. Botox just stops this muscle from contracting, which is great. But, you can get Botox, and if you have this line here that's kind of been hanging out, it doesn't instantly go away. You have to take time and you have to do things to soften that. And chemical peels is one of the most amazing treatments that you can do to help with lines and wrinkles, and vitamin C daily. So hopefully this shows you chemical peels are not scary. They are so amazing, and I hope that you'll come try one out.